Let me tell you a small story. I'm working at a steakhouse while studying computer science in South Korea. I've been doing this for 1.5 years right now. So basically in the daytime, I'm learning about algorithm, database, AI, all this very serious computer science stuff. And then at work, I'm carrying a steak and praying that I don't spill hot soup in somebody's expensive shirt. Two different careers, same back pain. But while working here, I noticed something very painful. The phone rings at the worst possible time. Not when everybody is standing around with nothing to do. No, it rings when the staff are busy serving the customer, taking payments, packing delivery orders, or when everyone is on the break and there is literally nobody near the phone. The phone be like, ring ring, pick up the phone. I have a customer for you. Bro, we are fighting for our life over here. So 4 to 5 calls can become missed call, sometimes maybe more. At first, I thought, okay, missed call, normal restaurant problem. It happens, maybe the person will call again. But then one day it clicked my mind. Restaurants do not only earn money from the customers who are already sitting inside. They also earn money from the people calling right now to book a table. And if nobody answers, that money just go to the next restaurant that picks up the call. The customer does not care where they eat. They just want food before they become angry. So I started doing some very dangerous calculation. Let's say only 5 calls missed per day, not 50, just only 5. And out of those 5, maybe 3 people actually wanted to make a reservation. This is a steakhouse, so let's say one table spends around $150 on average. Maybe less, maybe way more if someone orders a champagne and suddenly becomes more money. 3 reservation times $150 is $450 per day. And if you multiply $450 with 365 days, it becomes $1,6400 per year. Yeah, I checked the calculator twice. I thought I had accidentally, calculated a GDP of a small country. I can buy a Lamborghini with that money. I know, this is just an estimation. Not every missed call is a booking. Some people call just to ask, are you open? Even though the Google is right there. But even if the real number is half of that, it is still a lot of money disappearing because nobody could say, hello, how can I help you today? And that is when I thought, as a computer science student and a potential software engineer, emphasis on potential because I'm still fighting bugs every day, I should do something about it. So, what can solve this? Yes, you are right. Automation with AI. What if an AI could answer direct phone calls, give customers the simple information they need like opening hours, location, parking, menu questions, and booking reservation? It could work 24/7. No overtime payment, no sick leave, no training for new employee, and most importantly, it does not look at the phone and say, somebody else will answer the phone. It has no workers to blame. Very sad life actually. Compared to a full-time receptionist, maybe around $3,000 a month, depending on the restaurant and the country, this can be much cheaper for some restaurant, and it can answer after closing time too when people are sitting at home planning dinner for tomorrow. But I don't want to just talk like a LinkedIn guy who says, yeah, I can change everything and then disappear. So here is what I built. The customer called the restaurant like normal. The AI answers, talk naturally, gives not so important restaurant information, and then can take reservation too. I'm gonna call the receptionist right now. So let's see if it works or not.
Thank you for calling ABCD Steakhouse. This is Tanvir, the AI receptionist. How may I help you today?
Yeah, can you book me a reservation?
Of course. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Tanvir. The spelling is Tanvir.
Thank you, Tanvir. How many guests will be in your party?
There will be 4 people.
Thank you. What date would you like to reserve for your party of 4?
Today at 7 p.m.
You requested today, Thursday, July 16th, 2026, at 7 p.m. for 4 guests. May I have your phone number for the reservation? We'll send confirmation by SMS to this number.
Okay, my phone number is 010.
Thank you. To confirm, your phone number is 01001. Do you have any seating preference? Window side, private room, no preference? Or would you like me to add another seating note?
No, that's alright.
Thank you. You have no seating preference. Let me check availability for 4 guests today, July 16th, 2026 at 7 p.m. with no seating preference. Please hold one moment. Let me confirm this is for Tanvir, 4 guests today, Thursday, July 16th, 2026 at 7 p.m. with no seating preference at phone number 010. We'll send confirmation by SMS to this number. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Your reservation is confirmed. We'll send the confirmation by SMS to the phone number you provided. Is there any?
Yeah, can you tell me if the parking is available in your area or not?
Yes, parking is available underground in the same building. The first 2 hours are free, and after that, it's 1,000 won per 10 minutes. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all right. Thank you.
Thank you for calling ABCD Steakhouse, Gangnam. Have a great day.
As you can see, it also sent me a SMS that says the reservation is confirmed, but I'm using Toilet trial account, so it also has that trial account message. Yeah, and in Korean it says this is a foreign number because I'm using USA number. So yeah, it works. And if you go to if you turn on this what is it called, the reservation, you can see there is 4 guests under the name of Tanvir at 7 p.m. to 8:30, and my phone number is available here, and I will blur that out. I don't want to share my phone number obviously. And yeah, and there is only 100-minute booking, so everything is okay, everything is working. Nice. The nice thing is the staff do not need to stop serving the table to just answer a basic question like do you have a parking, because honestly when the restaurant is busy nobody wants to explain parking direction for 7th time while holding 5 plates. Now you're probably thinking, okay Tanvir, good, very cool project, but how much does it cost? Is it gonna eat all my restaurant profit? The answer is no, at least probably not. This is still an estimation, and the exact cost depends on how many calls do you get, how long people talk, what AI model do you use, and what tool you are connected to. When I checked Bappy, the voice part was around $0.1 per minute, so for a smaller restaurant, the whole setup could be something like $450 to $600 a month. For a very busy restaurant, maybe it can reach up to $1,000 or more. Again, it depends on the usage. I'm not going to stand here and say every restaurant will pay exactly $500, that would be fake YouTube marketing. But if it helps save even a few good reservations every month, the calculation starts to look very interesting. But there is a teeny tiny problem. Actually, it is a huge problem, depends on if you live in Korea or not. In Korea, many restaurants uses cash table for reservation, and cash table is very popular. But after not so thorough research, I could not find a public API that a solo developer like me can use, unlike Google Calendar. And they are partnered with Naver. And if you don't know Naver, it is basically Google for Korea. Search, map, booking, everything, Naver is everywhere. So the AI can talk on the phone perfectly. But then when it needs to put reservation into the system, it is be like, okay sir, I have your reservation. Now please wait while I throw the reservation into the Han River, which is the only river in Korea. Actually, throwing something on Hungry River is not legal in Korea. So I thought, okay, if I cannot easily connect an AI to the reservation system, why not build a simple reservation system for the restaurant itself? So with the help of Codex, I made a dashboard app in Flutter and a Microsoft SQL Server database. The idea is simple, that the restaurant staff can look at the bookings, update tables, and actually use it during service. Am I saying it will replace cash table tomorrow? No, I'm not that crazy, but it has potential though. Okay, maybe I'm a little crazy. Bro, stop yapping and tell us how you build it. Magicians do not tell their secrets. You have a death wish or something? Alright. Chill. In the next video, I will show how I made this exact workflow. And the funny part is, you do not need to be coding genius. You don't even need to know coding and vibe coding properly. I'm also learning while making this. You can judge me however you like. My coding, my English, my hairstyle, everything. Fair game. But not my height, because I'm 165 centimeter and that is normal in my country. But if you're a business owner and you want something just like this, da-da-da-da. But if you're a business owner and you want something just like this for your own business, DM me on Instagram, the link is down below. Also, the project repo is on the GitHub for MIT license. So you can use it for free, learn from it, break it, fix it. Just don't blame me if you accidentally create an AI that starts to order a steak for itself. Okay, that's enough.